Simple cooking, simple cooking channel. Scarlett, can you get the flour? This is coconut flour, that's right. And can you put that in the big bowl? Oh, thank you. Oh, good stirring. Thank you. Thank you. Now can you get, I need you to now get the eggs and put those in the bowl. Be careful not to drop them. Put them in the bowl, darling. Good job. You get some on your hand?
Yeah.
Do you need to get a wipe?
Yeah.
Oh, you go and get a wipe. Alright, now we get more ingredients. Can you get...
Can't.
Oh, thank you for bringing that back.
We can't do it.
That's right. Now, I'll get more stuff. Can you get the honey? Okay, take that to the bowl. And can you tip in the honey until I say that's enough? Okay, you just hold it upside down. It'll take a while. It'll take a while. Alright, that's enough now. No more. Darling, that's enough. Oh no. Oh dear. This is going to have a different flavour and oh, we don't mix it yet. Not yet. Very good listener. I might have to bite your nose.
Let's clean the table.
You want to clean the table? Okay. Okay, you can clean the table. Good. Very good, thank you. Yes, that's right. Over here, darling. Can you pour that in the bowl? Oh, great job.
Let's freeze them. Let's freeze.
Are there 3 eggs in there?
No.
Yeah, we only use 2 eggs for this recipe, but those are 3 eggs from our garden. They're only silky.
All of them.
Yeah.
That's all of them.
That's all of it. Should we put more ingredients in there?
Yeah.
Okay.
All of them. All of them.
Should put all of them in.
Yeah. Okay.
Now, no, hold on. Now, you go around to the bowl. Now, open your hand. Like that, yeah. And I'm gonna pour this into your hand. Ready? Open your hand up. I'll pour that into it. Can you put that in the bowl?
Something on my hand.
It's salt. Oh, you better clean it.
I wash it on my
Oh, now, can you put all that in? All the coconut oil? Oh, oh no! Ah, that's it. Oh, pfft. Is there any more left?
Yeah.
Oh, only a little.
I need little.
Yeah, just little.
I need myself.
Cleaned yourself?
Yeah.
Okay, can you go and stir what's in the bowl? With the whisk? Yeah, you stir it. We need to mix this together. So, what did you say, darling?
That red.
Yes, that is red. Now, darling, can you go and put the little chopped chips in there? Oh, yum. Yeah. Can you mix them in?
A little bit.
Yeah, just a little bit. Okay.
A little one. That's it.
I'll take a little bit so you can see how much. Can you put that in here on that tray? That's it. Can you get more from the bowl? Can you get a little bit from the bowl to put on there? However big you want the cookie. Excellent. Are you making lots of little ones?
My finger.
Is it on your finger? Oh no. Now Scarlett, can you pick up that tray and take it to the kitchen, darling?
I don't do it.
You can't do it?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can do it. See, good job. Thank you. Whoa.
I like it.
Thank you, sweetie. Great help. Are they yummy? Is it a bit too hot? No, just eat one. Don't have a bite out of all of them. Other people want some, darling. Yeah, just try it. Was it yummy?
I do hot.
Too hot, yeah. How about you try your one? Eat your one? No. Not that one, darling. The one you've already taken the bite out of. No. That one. No, that one. That's it. Try that one.
That's that one. That's the one.
Is it yum? Did you do a good job?
Yeah. There's no one.
What? Is that a snail?
No.
What is it?
It's chocolate.
Is it chocolate?
Yeah.
Do you like chocolate?
Bye. And now one.
Simple